Hello students, welcome to our online session. Myself Sayyad Rubina, I heartily welcome you in online session. Today we are going to start our sixth lesson, that is announcement. This lesson is activity based. So let us begin with the meaning of announcement. What does it mean? Announcement itself tells you that it is declarative sentence. The sentences which gives you some information. Announcement can give whether in written or oral form. Let's see what are the elements of announcement, or what are the characteristics of announcements. Announcements are used to tell about something important and usually short. This can be found on our notice boards or are told during the school assembly. It is kept short and small so that people will understand it easily, such as what is it about, where is happening, date and day. It does not exceed more than 4 sentences. So let's first read first announcement. 6 July 2015. It has been observed by the head boy and the head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. This is the first announcement. In this, one new word is there, littered. Littered means spread untidily across an area. So in the first announcement, let us see its element. This announcement is about what? This is about the untidiness of the class, in which the class who will make class untidy and littered, they will get punishment. Here date and day is also mentioned, that is this announcement is of 6 July 2015. Now let's proceed to second announcement. Tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, school will close an hour earlier, as the teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. Now all our criteria are fit in this announcement, that date and day, then where this announcement is happening, है So in short, they are announcing that tomorrow the school will get closed early. See the third announcement. On Sunday 12th July 2015, there is a football match between classes 8 and 9 on the school ground. The match will begin at 9 a.m. All students are invited to come and cheer their favorite. Please come on time so that the players are not distracted. See students, here also the announcement is very short and meaningful. Here also they explain that when the match is there, at what time it will start, when you have to come. Our next announcement is, listen carefully, the school has organized a storytelling competition for classes 5th, 6th and 7th from 21st to 25th of July. The competition will be held in the school hall at 10 in the morning. Children may select. Now here they have written the matter. They have written the subject for the storytelling competition. First one is fable. Second, a folk tale. Third, a fairy tale. Fourth, a true story. Fifth, a funny story. 3 prizes will be given for each category. The time limit is 3 to 5 minutes. Those who wish to participate may contact Mrs. Sanjana Mohite for other details. They must register their names with her before the 16th of July. 16th of July. Here new word is participate. Participate means what? Participate means to take part in something. And register, it means to put your name in an official list. So this fourth announcement is about storytelling competition. In short way, they instruct to students that there will be story competition and the subjects and when it will be held. Our next announcement is construction work to extend the school building will start next week. All students are cautioned not to cross over the fence at the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury. Please stay away from the fence. Caution means warned. Site means a place where something will be built. Now in this short announcement, they told to students that not to go where the construction work is going on because it is very risky. It is very dangerous and it may cause injuries to students. Now let's see our last announcement. A cycle key with a blue keychain has been found on the ground. Whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and see if it belongs to him or her. This is our last announcement. So here they want to inform students that they have found one cycle key. So the key whose belong it, they can come and they can take from the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto. So in this way, announcements are used to tell about something important and usually short. And we can find this announcement on our notice boards or we can say orally also during the school assembly. Thank you.